Hi, it's Terry with the rest of tip 4 on having a schedule. I just finished pointing out about how calendars are important and how it's equally as important to keep them up to date. Now I want to talk about breaks, like lunch, or that one break that you're supposed to be getting after so many hours of work. So you need to plan those into your schedule, because if you don't, they'll be easy to ignore, and then you'll get up and you'll be like, man, I've been sitting here for 6 hours and haven't moved. It happens all the time. So I have a Fitbit, and it buzzes my wrist every 45 minutes to tell me, hey, get up, move around. And so I do. Lunch is another thing. Good nutrition's very important. I stock my office candy jar, here, Terry's Stash, with protein bars, which are delicious, sweet. They have about the same calories as a regular candy bar, but they have a boatload of protein, which keeps me awake and alert and thinking. So I do try to leave my office, my lofty little office here, for lunch. I go down to the mezzanine level of my office building, and I have lunch there, generally with my husband, or maybe not, maybe by myself if he's gone. But it's important for me to be able to walk away, to part myself from all of this, because then I come back with a clearer head, a little more fuel in my body, and I can continue on with my day. So remember, the visual cues of people that stop by your office and say, hey, let's have coffee, let's do lunch, they're out. And so you need to take control of all of that. And yes, more on control in the next video. Just remember, we are in it together. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.